Hey everyone, want to create team templates in ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to save your workflows, standardize processes, and help your team work faster using ClickUp templates step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and open your workspace. Next, create a project structure that you want to reuse as a template. This can include spaces, folders, lists, tasks, workflows, documents, or dashboards. Now organize your project with the right statuses, custom fields, task descriptions, checklists, assignees, and views. Once your workflow is ready, open the template options in ClickUp. Choose the option to create a new template and select the items you want to save. Give your template a clear name so your team can easily understand when to use it. Next, choose which elements to include, such as tasks, subtasks, dependencies, automations, custom fields, and project settings. Save the template and decide who can access it inside your workspace. Now your team members can use the template to quickly create new projects with the same structure and workflow. Review your templates regularly and update them when your processes change. Finally, create different templates for common workflows such as client projects, marketing campaigns, onboarding processes, or recurring tasks. And that's how to create team templates in ClickUp. By building reusable templates, you can save time, maintain consistent workflows, and help your team complete projects more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.